Care and maintenance for Powerjack models 100 and 200. After every use, visually inspect for loose or broken parts. Use the Powerjack handle to test whether the ratchet mechanism is functioning properly. Check that the plastic stop screw at the end of the rack is secure. Push the handle forward to test the ratchet release mechanism. Slide the rack back and forth to ensure it has free motion. Use lithium grease to coat the ratchet pawls and gear mechanism. Use the handle to rotate the gear while applying the grease. Use compressed air to blow off excess dirt or dust. Wipe off with a clean, dry rag.